Hi, I'm Karen Gorley with the Michigan DNR. Nature's all around us. Let's explore.
Have you ever tried saving leaves or flowers by pressing them? You can make your own simple plant press using a few supplies you probably have at home. All you need is cardboard, smooth paper like newsprint or drawing paper, 2 rubber bands, and scissors. Cut your cardboard into squares. Mine are 5 inches by 5 inches. If your cardboard is thick, you may need to ask for help. This will be the outside of your press. You can leave it plain or decorate it with stickers or your own art. Cut your paper the same size as the covers. These will be the layers between your plants. Now let's head outside to see what we can find. Be sure you have permission for anything that you collect. Leaves from trees work well. So do flowers that are mostly flat. Thick or large flowers don't press as well and take a long time to dry, but you can try drying just a few petals from some of these. Remember to take only 1 or 2 leaves or flowers from a plant. Leave most of what you find so everyone can enjoy what's growing and the plants can make seeds. Now it's time to assemble your press. Put your bottom piece of cardboard down and stack a square of paper on top of it. Place just a few flowers or leaves on top. Don't crowd them so they have plenty of room to dry. Add another square of paper on top and lightly press down to flatten the flowers a bit. You can keep layering paper with leaves and blossoms until you have several layers stacked. Finish with a piece of paper on top, then add your cardboard cover. Secure everything with the 2 rubber bands. Now don't peek for 2 weeks to give everything time to dry. It's time to see the results. As you take apart the layers, carefully lift or scrape your plants off the paper so they won't break or crumble. Look at all these great leaves and flowers we've pressed. You can use your pressed plants to decorate cards or frame them for art on your walls. If you glue them to paper, be sure to protect them with clear adhesive paper or packing tape. Have fun pressing different flowers or leaves you find throughout the season.